What is industrial automation? Many people speak about industrial automation, and we must be wondering to know what is industrial automation and how does it work as we see today in industries. For example, in our day-to-day lives especially, we wash our hands from time to time. Let us consider this scenario. I need to wash my hands after the food. I went to the wash area, I open tap and wash my hands manually. And now let us install a sensor into the tap. And water comes and wash my hands without any manual control. How does it work? The sensor has a simple open contact into it, just like a switch. The way this sensor works always looks, and when it senses the hand, the open contact gets closed. Following that, water comes for a period of time, 20 seconds. After this time, contact open again automatically, depends on our program. And by having this sensor installed, I don't need to turn on or off the tap, everything is controlled by the sensor. Here we have two different process, the first is manual process and second is automatic process. What is the difference between these two? The automatic process is more convenient, saving the water, energy, and etc. It is very simple example vs manual and automatic. Here let us define what exactly automation is. Automation is nothing but, to carry out the process without human involvement, with the help of machines or process. Now let us bring the same concept into factory, which is manufacturing the biscuits. How does it work? Let us analyze. Now, in any manufacturing factory there is always a start line and end line. And between these two there will be always a process. Let us consider in the start line I need ingredients to make my biscuits, that becomes my input, and end line I get my final product that becomes my output. Here we have two processes we discussed earlier, either we can go with manual or we can go with automatic. In initial stage almost all the manufacturing companies go with manual control. In manual control we need human assistance. For that we need employees and they need to be trained to make the delicious biscuits. But as the business grows we need more products. For these we need to make the process automated in order to produce more, and it should be accurate. Here the main drawback is, suppose any mistake happens, like any change in the ingredients, the complete biscuits get spoiled. As we know, we are all humans, we make lots of mistake. And eventually we lose the customers and the company will be in trouble. Now how to overcome these situations? For that we need to go with automatic process or automation. By making the process automatic we need to implement some system which will control the entire process accurately, thereby we can achieve the following benefits. To increase productivity. To improve the quality and accuracy of the product. To reduce the damaging of the product. To reduce the manufacturing time and production cost. Increasing safety and working conditions. Here comes the importance of industrial automation, using different industrial controllers like PLC, HMI and robots to control the process in the different industries like manufacturing, oil and gas, transportation, defense, etc. So now I hope all of you get an idea about what is industrial is. In simple words we can say, industrial automation is the use of machines to control the process without human involvement.